Hi. Welcome to being Analyzar channel on YouTube. I hope you're all my viewers fine and fit well pretty good. Today I am share with you a new product about dynamic instrument mic. Review their description and detail with our team. Thanks, stay tuned. DRI100 Dynamic Instrument Mic 2020. Product description. The DRI100 dynamic instrument microphone has a frequency response and tight pickup pattern, making it a great choice for a wide variety of applications. The digital reference DRI100 dynamic instrument microphone offers frequency response for superior sound reproduction. The mic's clarity and warmth makes guitars, amps, percussion and horns sound their very best. The DRI100 microphone's tight pickup pattern isolates your instrument from other performers, while at the same time reducing feedback. Designed to handle high sound pressure levels, the digital reference DRI100 mic captures all the subtle nuances of drums and saxophones as well as vocals and stringed instruments. Product information: item weight 12.8 ounces, product dimensions 10.1 by 5.6 by 3.4 inches, shipping weight 12.8 ounces, ASIN B0040X1JTE, item model number DRI100. Thanks for being here to watch my video. Please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and also check carefully the product link for you if you check visually. Bye bye.